first vlog, I think, on my channel. So welcome and thanks for being here. Today we are heading out to Pro Clips. They're based out of Madison. They make car mounts for phones, tuning devices like your access port, or can't think of any others because I only have an access port. They also have the Airlift 3P, 3H, 3S, all of the threes. They also have those. So heading out there today to get a little bit of information on how they're going about their business. I got invited out last year, and then car was put away. COVID hit in spring, so everything got pushed off, and luckily we were able to set something up. This guy, he's got to poop. Really got to poop. Got to poop. Oh, it's a lady. You got a poop lady. This lady's got to poop. I hope the framing on this doesn't suck and it's not like just real tight on my mug. Real tight. Like real tight. Like in my beard follicles. It's actually panning out to be a pretty nice day. Gonna be a high of 63, maybe 4. If you can tell the difference between a degree. We made it. We did it. We're here. Now I gotta put a fucking mask on. A flippin'. I'm gonna swear a lot in this, aren't I? Put a mask on. Color coded. So we made it to Pro Clips. They're doing their thing over there. It's hot. It's supposed to be 63 and I'm sweating my ass off already. If it was gonna be 90, I was probably gonna die, so we'll see. I wish I had a flippable screen. Heading to location for video. You can't hear me because of the fucking motorcycles and shit. So yeah, here we go. Alright, we're done with talking head portion. We're heading to rollers. And spot number 2, and then hopefully lunch because Scott's a hungry boy. We are done filming, establishing shots and stills and all that stuff. So we're currently heading to some place that these guys know about that has food, commonly known as a restaurant. And at that restaurant, we are going to get food. Hello. We are currently miking up the Focus, and we are going to head down a very popular street in Madison and get some rolling shots. They're rigging up the car right now. We'll probably wrap up shooting after that, so it's awkward. At least there's nobody up here. just wrapped up rollers. I was shot for a long time. I'm pretty beat actually, but they're just finishing up one shot. Thought it would look pretty cool. I've seen it on a video or two before. It's currently sitting in the middle of a cul-de-sac, and they're gonna get this shot and then probably pull the audio from the rear. Which, hi guys, how's it going? It's been a real treat hanging out with you. You're real cool dudes. Thanks for taking a video of my car. And look at these idiots. Hilarious. But yeah, I'm gonna hit up a local guy. Kind of got a lead on a industrial park business that we could probably do some FPV, fly some droneage. So that might be in this as well. But if we don't get to fly, we don't get to fly. So, but yeah, hopefully that'll happen because I really want to fly. And we need to get some food as well, so I might hit up a couple buddies out here and see if they're free. Look at this shit. All right, this is what I made them do. That's hauling. That camera is hauling, son. Oh, there's two of you. Alright, it's a wrap. Showed a couple of the guys here the FPV drone. They were ecstatic. They loved it. So hopefully I hooked a couple people on the hobby. But yeah, I'm gonna head out of here, fly a little bit, and then probably get some food. got 2 miles to get this shit done. So just got done flying with Trevor. Super cool guy. I reached out when I was looking for a spot to fly in Madison. We flew this cool office park with a really chill security guard. He didn't even come over and say anything to us. He just literally walked around the whole time. It's super fun to fly with someone else and actually like fly around and like chase each other, try not to hit each other, and all sorts of, or try to hit each other. I don't even know what we were trying to do. Thanks Spotify for the ad. You son of a bitch. But yeah, I gotta get some food now. The sun's down a little bit too far for me to shoot many pictures, so just gonna call it, head home to the wife and the puppies, and yeah, might get some tasty B-roll and me and Culver's. It's the tall malt. It's the tall malt. It's the tall malt. I fucking had to get a tall malt, and that's why it's gonna take forever. Here we go. Let's go, boys.
10?
Yep.
Here you go, sir. And you can keep the number.
Oh, sure. Duh. Sorry.
Okay. Have a good day, sir.
Thanks, you too.
Yep.
Oh. This Culver's my shot. So, can we have an honest conversation right now? Shit. Why the people do they put 2 pickles on chicken sandwiches? When the have pickles and chicken gone together? I don't understand that. Pickles and chicken. Like, it's dumb as like pickles and meat. Oh, I want to pickle with my meat. Like, no. Stop wasting the pickles. Pickles are good by themselves. So stupid. Yeah, so got the goodies for the wife. Gonna head the home. I am beat. Beat. Go potty. Go potty. Good girl. No potty all the way. Okay. Doggies, I found the doggies. No barking. Hey. Take you so baby left, then I get to take you so baby left. It's a little bit short.